Right guys, coming out to midnight right here. As you can see, I have the hood popped and I have a special package over from LASFIT Auto Lighting. Before I get started, I want to give a huge shout out to LASFIT Auto Lighting out in California for hooking me up with a new fresh set of LED lights. I haven't even put these in yet, and I've seen so many pictures and reviews, so I can't wait to get these things installed. That's the address at the top. They're also on eBay and Amazon as well, so be sure to check them out. Look at that fancy box, guys. Even the box looks amazing. And what else do we have in here? Do we have some stickers, guys? Oh boy, we have some official stickers, guys. Look at this. So pretty much today I'm going to show you guys how to install headlights, LEDs, regular bulbs, whatever it is, into your 8th generation Civic SI. This should be similar for all makes and models of like Hondas and Acuras and stuff. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Pretty much the locations for the headlights, you're gonna have that one back there. This one right here, all we're gonna do when the time comes is we're gonna actually lift this reservoir out of this location. It slides up off of a bracket down beneath that. Woo! So it was between LASFIT and like another LED brand, but LASFIT reached out to me. We worked out an agreement. I'm also going to provide a link down below where you can get your LASFIT LED bulbs and you can use my little code for a discount. All right, so to start off, we're just going to lift this reservoir right up out of this location here. So you can undo this little hose right here. It's connected to this bracket right there. There's a clamp, and then you could just proceed to lift this thing right out and kind of just like stand it up, you know, tuck it over maybe in your other side. Access to the halogen bulb right over here, connector right there. So we're going to undo that, turn it back towards the vehicle. So carefully, don't stretch the wire too much, disconnect it. As you can see, the connector is literally right here. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna take our new LASFIT LED. We are going to carefully insert it right into the connector like so. Once it's inserted, we're gonna go ahead and try it out now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on, and I'm gonna see if this LED comes on. I can't believe, like, that hurt my eyes. Like, I was standing over the like side of the car and I turned it on and I seen my camera adjust and the bulb like brightened my freaking eyes. So once I connect the LASFIT LED, we can do a little comparison between the LED light and a regular halogen. Then I can work on the pain in the butt side right here. You have to match the pattern, which is on the headlight itself, plastic molding piece that it'll lock in. So you kind of just got to stick it in there and kind of like, you know, play with it a little bit and rotate it around and see which side fits. Kind of hard to see, but I ended up getting it. Hopefully it stays in there. Let's turn on the lights, do a little comparison for you guys. When you guys are finished with this side, you could just put the coolant reservoir right back there. You could see that bracket right there. There it is. I have a hole in my fender liner, but my hands are so fat that I try to get them up there. I can reach the bulb itself, but I don't know. I would rather have this done, you know, the right way. Like so. Just set it off to the side. Then we have these two Allen key brackets to kind of hold like the grill on. You can see there's one right there, and then there's one right here. So we're gonna go ahead and undo these. I actually had to take my bumper off anyways. I know I'm gonna get people like, oh, why'd you take your bumper off? Well, if you guys can see right here, all this corrosion, I'm actually leaking coolant right now. So I think the hose is shot, or I might have to just move the hose forward a little bit or move the clamp back a little bit more. So pretty much gonna kill two birds with one stone. You already know, Crocs with socks. But on this side, if you guys can see right here. All right, this side's off. As you guys can see, this is the side I'm talking about. Look at that, literally all zip ties. And all I have is one holding this on, so I just gotta cut that one right there because this thing is stripped out. Hondas are notorious for doing that, guys.
There we go. Rip zip tie.
Why my car's been overheating. Got a goddamn caterpillar in it. Since I don't have any inner fender liner on this side, all I can do, see if you guys can see my hand. Look at that. Could fit it right up in here. There's that bugger. But yeah, can you guys count the zip ties? A hefty zip tie keychain going on here, a necklace.
Alright, we're gonna make sure that it works before we go ahead and slap it up in there. Look at that, guys. Look at how freaking bright that thing is, man.
You guys can't see because my freaking foggy lenses, but I got it in the slot. It was kind of a pain in the balls to do it like this, but it's getting cold. I'm losing daylight, and I didn't want to remove this headlight. Repping that no bumper gang right now. Everything's installed. I'm gonna turn them on for you guys so you can see how freaking sweet these things are. I got light all the way to here. So there's the final product. Things are absolutely amazing, guys. Would recommend them for any Honda, whatever vehicle you have. They are bright as heck. This video does not do any justice right now. Finishing this video up, lights are freaking awesome. I gotta say, I didn't think they were gonna be as bright as they are, but they're amazing, and I mean that. I'm not even trying to BS it right now, but huge shout out to LASFIT Auto Lighting out in Ontario, California. Definitely be sure to check them out. I'll leave their link down below. Guys, they have everything. LED brake lights, side marker lights, turn signals, fog lights, headlights, you name it, they do it, and they have really good customer service. Also, if you guys order through the link I provide down below and use the code GERB10, definitely be sure to check the link down below, guys, and use my code GERB10, capital G-E-R-B 10 for a discount code. So I'll see all of you guys in the next video. I gotta go wash this thing up now and go try the new headlights out, especially because it's getting dark. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment down below, and subscribe for more 8th gen content and do it yourself. Probably gonna do a headlight adjustment video, so if you guys want to see how to do that, drop your comments down below and let me know what you guys think of the lights. So be sure to check them out, guys. Check out more of my videos for all the new people. And also coming over here, if you guys are all new, I'll provide a video down below, but under this cover right here is my JDM K24A. So hopefully I'll be doing a swap soon to the 8th gen. I'm currently rebuilding it right now. I'm gonna have a fresh OEM rebuild, so stay tuned for that content. And I gotta do one more thanks to LASFIT Auto Lighting. You guys are awesome. I can't believe you sent me some product over to try, and I definitely recommend them, guys. Visibility, it's not even dark yet. I already have visibility over my halogens. The lights are crystal clear. My lenses are a little foggy, but definitely a quality product. Plug and play. No wiring, no nothing. So I'll see all you guys in the next video. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching. They definitely need to be adjusted, guys, but I am very happy with the product. Lights up, like the lines on the road enhances visibility in all aspects.